Good morning, everyone, and welcome you all on 11th Education Summit, and organized by the Time2Grow Media. Once again, from my core of heart, thank you so much for coming here and for giving your precious time. So, for the inaugural session, I would like to invite Ms. 𝗘𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗲 ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much for giving your time to us. We are blessed with your presence. We have very renowned and very famous personality, Mr. 𝗙𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗲 sir, who is the former director of 𝗖𝗍𝗶𝗫 from Ministry of Education. Mr. Arindam Mandal sir, welcome you on the stage. Mr. Arindam Mandal is the regional consultant under Ministry of Education Innovation Cell. And I witnessed his so many programs which they are doing in marathon, hackathon, toy-cathon. So thank you so much for organizing such kind of program for the students, sir. Now I would like to invite Mr. 𝗙𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗲𝗲 sir, who was always behind with us for supporting us, and he is the director in 𝗙𝗍𝗶𝗁𝗲 and into so many organizations, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time. So I request 𝗘𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗲 ma'am also to give your few words. Before that, I request Manmeet sir for the floral welcome. A lady who made the things possible. पावर मिलती है फीमेल्स को भी जब हम ऐसी पर्सनालिटी को अपने साथ देखते हैं और इंस्पायर होते हैं. मैम ने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है और आज यहाँ हमारे बीच हैं. सो वी आर ब्लेस्ड विद दिस प्रेजेंस. Sir, welcome Arindam sir and 𝗙𝗱𝗶𝗁𝗲 sir. We have the very renowned personality with us today. And from core of my heart and on behalf of Time2Grow Media Organization, I welcome Madhu Ahluwalia ma'am from Quality Council of India from NABAT to come on the stage, and also I would request Manmeet Khurana sir, founder of Time2Grow Media, to come on the dais for the floral welcome. Madam Ms. Madhu Ahluwalia is management expert, trainer and educationist with more than 30 years of experience in education domain, presenting working in the capacity of senior advisor at Quality Council of India since 2015. Thank you so much for being with us, ma'am. Thank you.